take a look at this problem. We want to solve the equation on interval 0 to 2 pi. So we've got 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 is equal to 0. And we want to get cosine by itself. So we'll take negative 1 over first. So we've got 2 cosine squared theta is equal to positive 1. Divide both sides by 2. And we get cosine squared theta is equal to 1/2. But remember, cosine squared, written that way, is the same as cosine theta to the second power is equal to 1/2. And this is square root property. If you got something squared equal to something else, you drop your squared, and you put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Well, we don't want a fraction inside of a square root, so I'll split it up, put a square root on top, square root on the bottom. And that gives us cosine theta is equal to plus or minus 1 over square root of 2. And we'll multiply top and bottom by the square root of 2. Because we can't have the square root down in the denominator. And we get cosine is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 over 2. Okay. Now cosine is our x, so keep that in mind. We have pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. This point here is square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. This point here is negative square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. And scroll down a little bit. This point here is negative square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. And this point here is square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. Now remember, our cosine is our x, so we're looking where x is equal to either a positive or negative square root of 2. Here's a positive, here's a negative, and here's a positive. So all of those would be our answers. So theta is equal to pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. And those are our 4 answers.